So now let us now run it and let's see what we have. So cancel. All right, so now you can see our email here. So see what is showing us, but here is a CSV file created for us. So if we open this CSV file, inside this CSV file is you can see some of the emails that I've received. So this one is coming from Bitly terms of service. Okay, so I think they have just updated. Okay, yes, they have updated their privacy policy and they are just informing me. All right, so upcoming changes, and then you can see that. So the email that just came in right now is just every email that is just coming in will now be automatically added to this CSV file. So I don't necessarily need to go to my email to check the new email. I can come here and just have a glimpse of what the email is all about, and yeah, that is it. Okay, so this is how we can see. So and then you can see here, look at it here. Okay, so if we look at our sentiment score, so look at this is the sentiment score here. Okay, so it's over 2 points.